Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 10th to 14th November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as we can see, 0.14% positive move, 1.31539 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. This is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, if I talk about the candle here, this is a weekly candle. We can see a small body which is a bullish candle first, and then a long lower wick with a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at a oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any such videos that I create during weekly analysis. Also, if you don't know what is funded account, I already shared two Proform links in the description. You can check that out. Also, here important support and resistance zone are already marked. There are some different data just that I have just recently marked. You can mark that as well so that you don't miss that data as well. Currently, if I talk about the closing first, 1.31539 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.34379, 31437, and direct resistance is 1.3178734. After direct support, there is a support of 1.31200 and then 1.30979. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.32035 and then 1.32430. So these are two important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two Proform links in the description. With the 20% discount coupon code, you can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or Proform, I've already made a dedicated video on what is Proform, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. Currently, I'm expecting a positive move that is in this range, that is 1.317342 to 1.32035. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.3437 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade 1.31200. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive move. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.